What's up YouTube, Yoke Gang, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the CZ75TS Czechmate. Wow, this needs a special introduction for itself. I am loving this pistol. It is ugly, but I am loving it. Hard case first of all, massive size suitcase, and it has a world of parts in here. First thing first, let's just run through the box quickly. We have a lock, we have a hefty manual, we have the slide ride. This is the See More. This is the optic that is on this pistol, and it is insane. I'm gonna show you that in a second. We have a couple other things in here, and just check this out. How well put together is this? Beautiful case and presentation. Beautiful. Now, first thing, let's do a quick clear check. She's clear. There's nothing in the magazine. We give you that visual off rip. She ugly, but she look like she bout it. She is bout it. Now, first off, the first thing that came to mind when I saw this was the amount of magazines that they give you. This is a competition pistol, and it comes with 3 20-round magazines. 3 20-round mags. And it also comes with I think this is 25. This is actually a 26-round magazine for competition. Crazy. You have a speed loader. I'm not the biggest fan of these, but hey, it's in there, so why not? The original barrel is in there. We have just an array of parts and pieces in here. I mean, all type of stuff. It even comes with your oil for you to lube her up before you get ready out there and before you get ready to get out there and just show out on the people. And just more and more and more stuff. You have your cleaning parts. You have your brush. You have your bore cleaner, actually your barrel cleaner, and just one more time, take a look at this monster. I'm gonna put the 20-round magazine in, and then we're gonna put the 25-round magazine in it. Whew, love it, love it. I never saw myself or even considered shooting competition. I am just a fanatic for firearms, and this was something that just had to be added to the lineup. Had to. You have to have one. Now, before I get all caught up, let's talk about this slide ride optic. It is a red dot, and it is quite impressive. You turn it on with this little button right here, this little twist button. You just turn that up, and you can pretty much gauge how bright or how low you want that red dot. Let's turn this off so I do not kill this battery off rip. Now, let me hold this. We'll try to set this up right here for you to keep that visual, because the only and the right thing to do is refer back to the manual so we can give you all the accurate specs on this, because you cannot mess this up. Definitely not. The manual is very, very, very detailed. I can appreciate that very much so. Your breakdown, you have additional information in here. Pretty good, very nicely put together. Now, As far as the overall length on this pistol, it is 10.47 inches long. The height of this pistol is 5.51 inches. The width is 2.44, and the barrel length is 5.11 inches. Now this compensator on the front is just impressive. I already know that this shoot is going to be amazing, amazing. This extended rack, this extended slide rack here, I like that. I noticed, who is it? Canik also offers this in their box. So that is, you know, and for Canik to be a budget competition pistol, they try to really give you that whole feel that you're out there looking good and being confident with this. The weight, I don't think I got a weight. Did I get a weight? Yes, the weight I did say was 2.99 pounds empty. Because the magazines have such a great capacity, I feel like it would be additional weight that would help with the recoil control. So that's not bad. We have a hammer here. We have the safety on both sides. We have a right and a left safety. Your slide release, let me see if I can get this to drop for you. It's effortless. Let me lock this. Now, we do have quite a big mechanical situation on the top. Let me see if I can get this slide to lock easily. That was not bad at all. Because of my position, it would have been easier if I was actually standing and had the pistol in a down facing position to lock that back. So that was, I'm not concerned about that at all. What I need to find is this trigger weight. I am just going to pull this trigger. Let me pull it from the other side so that you can watch my finger just pull this back. Did you see that? Nothing. It took nothing to engage this trigger. One more time. Jeez. That really makes me smile. Let's do it again. Wow. Wow. Let's check this mag release, how fast we can drop these mags. Wow, that was quick. And them, that is very smooth, very smooth. The actual grip has it's not Smith & Wesson aggressive. It has more of a rich feel to it. It's almost like diamond cut. Look at that. Very chic and sexy. Diamond cut. You have your mag extension on the, not mag extension, your mag well extension down here for easy loading. And y'all, I am completely taken by this piece. I saw it and I just had to have it. It is chambered in 9mm. I'm not mad about that at all. So I know I'm going to have a great time with this at the range. A great time. So with that being said, are y'all ready to shoot? Because I'm ready to shoot. Let's go. We're back. Now, if you're just now joining, we are shooting the CZ75 TS Czechmate. Woo! This little ugly thing is quite impressive. Now, if you have one of these, you know or you don't know that you can only shoot major ammunition with the competition barrel. It does have the regular barrel to where you can shoot your regular ammunition, but in this case, this does have the competition barrel in it, so we have to shoot major ammo. And we are shooting Everglades ammo, and this is 9mm major 124 grain. See right here, major? Make sure that it says major. If not, you are going to have cycling issues. But with that being said, we are preloaded. Let me give you a quick visual and make sure that she's clear. She's clear. We are at a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range, and this is what she looks like. Very impressive. I am loving her. She does come with 4 magazines. She comes with 3 20-round magazines and 1 26-round magazine. So that is a lot of cycling and stuff because it is a competition pistol. So I'm very excited for this. Let me get my hearing protection ready. Let's run some rounds and see what this is all about. Got me feeling a little competition-ish. We are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. Our range officer is right beyond the truck. I'm feeling it. I told y'all she was ugly. She is, but I'm feeling it. Oh, that slide went forward without me even releasing it. All right, let's see. First shot. I like it. I like it. She got me feeling like I'm a professional. I don't know why it didn't shoot just then. Now, I pulled the trigger the first time, it didn't shoot. I ejected and it was not a used shell, it was actually a round that was not deployed. Now, I can't even get the slide back. All right, we're using the correct ammo because this has the major barrel in it. So we have to use major ammo. Don't know why that's happening, but got a couple more rounds in here. That slide feels amazing. The trigger is great. Oh, that was it. She running now. Let's get another magazine. Okay, this is another 20-round magazine. I couldn't get 20 in there, so there should be about 18 in here. All right, let's drop the slide. Nice. That should not be happening. Come on now, CZ. Come on. Okay, so my first magazine had about 8 rounds in it. We got 5 out. I had 2 malfunctions. Now we're on another magazine. We shot a couple and we're working on another malfunction. Let me take that round out and see. See, it's not tight or anything, so I'm not believing that it's a feeding problem. I'm not believing that it's not. I'm feeling a little iffy about this. We talked about competition pistols, and right now I'm not feeling too confident. Again, I'm not happy. See? And then it's almost like it's stuck. I can't rack the slide back. She's clear. This comes with a very hefty price tag, over 3 bands. And for me to be feeling like this already, and we have not gotten 2 full magazines out yet, I'm quite disappointed. Quite disappointed. I am not sure what is going on in here. She's lubed. Quite greasy. You can see the oil running out. So that's not the problem. I don't know. I don't know. And again, we're using the right ammo. The ammo's in the truck. We are using major ammo because we are using the major barrel. I don't know. The magazine sounds a little not too good, but I don't think it's that. Let's go to another magazine. Let's try the 26 round magazine. It's not overfilled. It does still have some play in it. It ran the whole magazine. Could it be the other magazines? This is the 26 round magazine. Could it be the magazines? Could very well be. Okay, I'm not feeling as bad as I was. Let's take the rounds out of these and load them into the 26 round mag, because I'm not playing with this magazine no more. Okay, like I showed y'all, I am using major ammo. I'm using the right ammo. They look like tiny protections, but I don't know. It ran that magazine, so I'm not even going to worry about the other 3 magazines it's come with. We're just going to focus on this one because it's running this one. And I don't want to make myself upset. Target swinging. It's the magazine. If I had to diagnose it, it's the magazine. This is a tactical sport CZ magazine, and it's working.
Yeah, but for damn near $3,500, every magazine should be working.
Damn right about that. She's clear. Why? These are also tactical sport magazines. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I'm behooved.
So how about you go back with the other magazines and let's see.
All right. So what we'll do is we'll put 2 in each.
No, I'll put about 5.
5. Well, I'm gonna put 4. We'll put 4. So we can have enough.
Well, y'all women don't listen for shit.
Oh, these mosquitoes. And I sprayed. Y'all saw all that mosquito spray I got? And they still biting. Okay. Let's see. See, the magazines are nice. They're very easy to load. They're not too tight. So I'm not sure. We're going to find out, though. We're going to find out. All right. We're going to come back to that because we got 3 magazines here already. Let's see. Drop that slide. She is quite cumbersome feeling in the hand. She's very thick and big. But I understand for competition, there's, you know, characteristics that you look for in a firearm when you're going to compete. This is definitely not a carry or anything like that. This is strictly shooting. One out of this little magazine. Okay. If I can get this round out. I've spent more rounds in the grass. Let's dump it in the back of the truck. All right, I'm leaning towards it being the magazine. So we're gonna try one more 20 round magazine and see what happens. Or is it that one magazine? She's clear. I don't want to hear nothing about no breaking in period and all that BS. When you pay over $3,000 for something, there shouldn't be no breaking in period. None. Okay, so we're going back to the 26 round magazine. Again, you come here for honest reviews. It's my channel. I'm not sponsored by anybody, and I'm going to give you the honest review. And right now, Canik is shitting on CZ. Yeah. I've spent more time trying to eject shells or eject unburnt casings out of the firearm. I had 100 rounds, and I feel like my range day was not pleasurable. This could mean that I may bring her back after, I don't know, maybe making a couple phone calls or something to find out exactly what the issue may be. I did my research. I knew and I understood that it does not take regular 9mm casings. This is why I went and I got my major casings. I did everything that the manual said I should do before bringing this out to shoot. And the 20 round magazines, well, one for sure is not running no more than 1 round. The 26 round magazine gave me at least 20 rounds a couple of times. But again, I've spent more, I have more shells in the grass than I feel like I've shot at the target. But anyway, boo-hoo-hoo. Yoke gang. Honestly, yeah. Canik Rival has really shown that if you're into making purchases for the names, then, you know, you do what you do and you shoot what you like. But you don't need all that to get the job done. And in my opinion, Canik has shown me that firsthand. But CZ, I'm willing to give you another chance. I will contact y'all and see what y'all have to tell me about.
It seemed like it was mainly a mag problem.
It seems like, but we shouldn't even be having the mag problems if you're confident enough to give me 3 of them. If you're confident enough to give me 3 of these magazines, it shouldn't be this problem. And especially not for what we paid.
Well, anyway, Yoke Gang, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I had a so time at the range. If you have not checked out www.yokegang.com, make sure that you do. Pick up a gun bag patch on my hair or a t-shirt. I really appreciate it. Y'all already know I love y'all for life. I'm sorry I gotta let you go, but peace.